Mac. What an intro that was, huh? It's already nighttime now, but oh my gosh, was that Ferrari? Something. Now, Lawrence and I are dealing with this traffic. One of the nicest days of the year, and you guys already know what that means. People everywhere, going places. I'm not mad at him, though. I'm not mad at him. Lawrence making all types of noise, as he should. He's really enjoying that bike, man. Now he's confident. Woo! Woo! It's popping! It's popping, and it's not stopping. But yeah, we have to link up with Derm, we have to link up with Sunny, and I believe Mac and Square. And it's supposed to be like a huge party going on later, but I don't know. I gotta see if we're gonna make that because it's already starting to drop. The temperature's starting to drop crazy, and it's not even 8 o'clock yet. So we'll see how it goes, guys. As predicted, the city is a madhouse yet again. Absolute madhouse. Hey, pipe down, sir. Yeah, this poor lady. She likes it. Oh, look at the Hellcat. Hey, kitty, kitty. Oh, just stop it, bro. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop, bro. I heard a supercharger wire, but bro, you were getting eaten alive out in the streets. Out in the streets, cool. That was 58 right there, Larry, but okay. This is nice, man. What year is this? What year is this?
This is a 19.
19? This is nice, man. What's it for, like 400,000?
750.
Oh my god!
We need friends. I stay back on tonight because that's only one problem. You see it in the front.
Right. Take it easy, man. Alright, we back with the crew. With the ride out to the car meet. Boy, that temperature is dropping, and it is dropping fast. Stop. But it's all good. Woo! S1K is the ZX10 type of night. It's the S1K ZX10 type of night.
Yeah, it's looking like it. That's fun being at the top of the food chain, you know what I'm saying?
Real ones in front. Real ones in front. Huh? Look at these S1K girls. That's how you do it? Well, I've got the carbon fiber on here. I know it's a little hard to see. Got the fender on there, the side tank, the rear, tire hugger, a little bit of the tail in here too. So we're gonna be doing his upgrades pretty soon too. The red doesn't really need much though, because the red just brings attention to itself. Like, yeah, I'm a red S1K. Yeah, the wings are gonna look good on it too.
Yeah,
I think so.
yeah.
Trying to hit to this meet. We keep taking these detours. Durham gotta go get a tool to loosen up his chain. I think his chain is. Oh, that was fast. That was great. So get this done real quick, and then we're gonna shoot over to that meet. Definitely do some pulls on the way to that meet too, and definitely get there, man. I know wifey's waiting for me at the crib, so I gotta keep it pushing. This guy Larry just won't stop the modding with this bike. This carbon fiber looks sick. The yellow headlight looks sick. It looks dope. It looks dope. It looks great. But you still getting smacked. You still gotta get smacked. Oh my god, this traffic! Well, unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to get to the meet. They went up to another spot for some reason. Not sure why, but we kind of came out here for no reason. But we had fun along the way. It's definitely a lot warmer down south in Jersey where we're at now than where we were in New York. But me and Larry probably had some fun on the way home. I know y'all saw me smack him up a little bit. He probably was coming around me, but either way, he got smacked. He got smacked, and that's a score on the board for T'Challa right there. But that's okay. He's salty about it, but it's all right. It's all right. But yeah, we're probably gonna pack it up in, guys. Have a little bit of fun on the way home, and then I will see you guys on the next episode. Sunday we're supposed to be riding to Bear Mountain, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, man. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. People, ride safe and peace out. Look at these gorgeous machines right here. Ooh. Take it easy, guys. Peace.